Classify each of the listed properties of ozone as physical or chemical. Before we do that, let's do a little bit of review. A physical property, or a chemical property, let's start with that one. A chemical property refers to reactions or reactivity. And in describing a chemical property, the word react in some form is either going to be stated or implied. So that helps us immediately spot a chemical property. Physical properties, on the other hand, are often, not always, but often detected or, I started to say seen. We sense them as part of our normal five senses. The key here is that a physical property does not include a reaction, a chemical reaction. So let's get started. A, bluish color. Color, something that we see, is always part of a physical property. B, pungent odor. This one at first appears a little bit ambiguous because the senses of taste and smell are sometimes referred to as the chemical senses because the molecule that we are tasting or smelling binds to the receptor. However, it is not a chemical reaction. Therefore, this one will qualify as a physical property. C, very reactive. There's that word. Obviously, this one will be a chemical property. D, decomposes on exposure to ultraviolet light. Decompose is a chemical process. Something that decomposes is chemically breaking down. And so this is a chemical reaction. Therefore, since it is a chemical reaction, this will be a chemical property. E, a gas at room temperature. The state of matter under a certain set of conditions is a physical property. We're not talking about a chemical reaction here in any form, therefore this is a physical property.